Absolutely, absolutely. When I think about patents, and what you said, the part that resonated the most with me was that it's an asset that basically protects certain part of an industry, or helps to avoid that others enter this field. It basically creates a virtual monopoly for a couple of years. One question I have, you heard about many different kinds of patents, or a composition of matter, process patents, use patents. Are all patents created equally, or are there any significant differences? Which patents are of value?
We can then discuss which patents are of value. Those that serve your business, I think, is the best answer, because if you have product claims, they are usually very strong, because product claims have a scope to protect all products or producing the product or using the product. As soon as you have the product in your hands, you are a possible infringer, and you would need a license. With use claims, it's sometimes not so easy to police, but I would not underestimate use claims. So what medical use claims in life science, we always talk about medical use claims or diagnostic use, because at the end of the life cycle of patents protecting a commercial product, in most cases, there are use claims, like the clinical use, those treatment regimens, and so far. And because first you have broad basic patents, then you have some more specific patents on formulation, but then maybe on the use, maybe in the life cycle of your product, they are the last patents with the longest patent term. And at the end of the patent term, every day counts. So at the end of the patent term, the most valuable claims are the use claims in most cases. So I would not underestimate or generally say use claims are less value than product claims. So maybe one other category is platform and product. And I experienced that because we're talking about the future. I experienced that there is a trend nowadays to more and more early stage business assets and business opportunities. So when I'm supporting investment cases and due diligence, I realized that, let's say, a few years ago, people were looking for late-stage products, those that are clinical development or at least IND stage. But nowadays, it's more and more early-stage investment cases, and this means platform technologies, maybe not only fully developed products. And as long as they are innovative and there is a market potential. So what would you think is of higher value when you think of the mRNA vaccines? Is it the technology of stabilizing mRNA or the vaccine product with a specific RNA encoding the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2?